Clasp them together, that's right. And I want you to focus on the knuckle of your thumb. Focus on the knuckle of your thumb. And do not look away, just continue to focus on that. Now what I want you to do is, in a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, with every number, your hands will lock tighter and tighter together. Your fingers will interlock tighter and tighter together. So when I reach number 3, they are so tightly locked together that even if you tried to pull them apart, you couldn't pull them apart. We're not going to try that yet, but it's going to be as if they're carved out of one block of wood. 1, locking your fingers tighter and tighter, that's right. Allowing that to happen. Remember, what your mind imagines, your body feels. So feel your fingers locking tighter and tighter. 2, locking even tighter, that's right. And 3, completely tight together, that's right. Tighter and tighter with every moment, as if they're carved out of one block of wood. Completely welded together, that's right. Now in a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, of course, with every count, they're going to continue to lock even tighter together. So on the count of 3, they're completely locked together, but I want you to try. Only on the count of 3, I want you to try to pull them apart. You'll find the harder you try to pull them apart, the tighter they lock together. 1, locking tighter and tighter, that's right. Tighter and tighter. 2, locking even tighter, that's right. As if they're formed from one block of wood, carved out of one block of wood, completely welded together. And 3, tighter and tighter, that's right. Trying to pull them apart, noticing the harder you try to pull them apart, the tighter they lock together. That's right. Trying harder and harder, locking tighter and tighter, and sleep! Way down, deeper and deeper, really letting go, drifting down, down, deeper and deeper, relaxed. And the deeper you relax, the better you feel. The better you feel, the deeper you relax. That's right.